Welcome to today's video. Today's going to be a quick video because it's already late and the trade was only this morning during London session, because during New York there was no trade for me. I looked, but I didn't get any setup that I wanted, so I didn't trade during New York. I did trade this morning during, as I just said, London. Let me see if I can share my screen. Here we go. And that trade was unlucky. I'm considering not trading London anymore, but I'll give this week another chance. And then if this week is again same as last week, only losses, then I will make my assumptions with that, right? So look, this is the 50-minute zone that we drew at 8:45 until 9. And then from 9 until 9:05, we have this blue 5-minute zone. We have two fair value gaps right here. We have a rather small one, as you can tell, just 0.25, which is not a lot, but we did indeed break through a little bit, and then we created a new low, which I marked out. But I was actually hoping we could target this low and then maybe even pushed through it with this small move down, but it was, as we can see, pretty low activity during London. But let's get into the trade. So we have our fair value gap right here, which pushes a candle to open and close outside the blue, outside the 5-minute zone. We engulf, boom, and then we enter right here. And as you can see, right here upon entry, we create a new doji and then we push down a little bit, but then we start trending back up and we get stopped at 1.75 stop loss. Luckily, for once, I actually used my correct stop loss, because this right here is the wick of invalidation of the retest. Because if I wanted more breathing room, I would have taken either the 50-minute zone or this other fair value gap. But I actually listened to my gut, and I actually did what my rules say, actually, not my gut, what my rules say. And we get stopped out, and we indeed just kept going the other way. Yeah, so that was that. How many points did we even get? Like 3? Yeah, 3 on the dot. So that's not anywhere near we want, right? We're aiming for 10 or more. Then during New York, as we can see, ups and down within the fucking zone. A previous high laid right above the 15-minute zone, which we tapped and we swept, and then we went down. We swept this low from London that we created, and then we went back up, back inside the 15-minute zone. We danced around the 15, boom, back down, boom, back up, and it was just up and down between these two zones. So yeah, maybe we can keep this in mind for possibly another version of a trade, another entry. When the fucking zones line up with a previous high or a low, we could keep that in mind to enter upon. Enter off. But that was it for me for today. This was a loss worth of, let's take a quick look, $238 loss. That's pretty bad. But yeah, because I took 20 contracts during London. Maybe I should also start scaling down, because this was last, Jesus Christ. That's quite bad, isn't it? Let's check if we do all the losses. How do I do that? I'm going to filter my losses. Filter. Am I blind? Filter right here. Loss only. Boom. That's more. Most of them are 20 contracts. But yeah. All right. That's for tomorrow. We'll figure that one out. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna trade New York. I'm gonna trade London, and in the afternoon I'll trade New York also. Unless my trade in London hits, which hasn't been the case in quite a long time. I want to say 2 weeks, maybe a week. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.